Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shiraz and welcome to another tutorial. Today we are going to model this perfume bottle, then we are going to create a cool environment for it. Also you guys can get this blend file from my Patreon account, so be sure to check it out. Let's get started. Select all these and delete, press 1 on your numpad, and I have a reference image. I'll put link in description so you guys can download. Shift A, add a cylinder and align your reference image according to your mesh like this. Select your cylinder and yeah, it's good. Alt C for X-ray vision, tap to edit mode, select this lower part, GC, and select this upper part, E to extrude, E to extrude again, scale it down, E to extrude, scale it down, and E to extrude again, scale it down, E to extrude all the way up like this, and I to insert, E to extrude again. Yeah, it's good. And Control A, apply scale, tab to edit mode, select this lower part. I'm gonna bevel it a bit, like this, and I think I'm gonna bevel this edge too. Sorry. Control B and bevel it a bit. Okay. Now hide this one and add a new cylinder. For cap, scale it down, GC, tab to edit mode, select upper part, GC, tab to edit mode, scale on X and Y axis, tab to edit mode, E to extrude, right click and scale according to our reference image. Now we're gonna make this lid here, E to extrude, I to insert, E to extrude, Control plus, scale it down a bit and select this upper part, scale, I think this, and E to extrude, Control plus, scale it a bit. Yeah, okay. Hide this empty, bring back our bottle one, Alt C. Now I'm gonna add subdivision modifier for smoothness. So select this bottle, slash on your numpad, Control 2 for subdivision. Let me open screen keys. Okay, tab to edit mode. Now I'm gonna add some loop cuts. Control R, two loop cuts here, and Control R, two loop cuts here. Similarly, I think Control R, loop cut here, and I'm gonna bevel this one. Control P. Yeah, it's good. Select the upper face and I to insert. Okay, right click, share auto smooth. Now this cap one, Control 2 slash tab edit mode, adds loop cut here, here as well, and last one. Press 3 and select this one, these two, I to insert a wait. Okay, right click, share auto smooth. Yeah, it's good. Now I think I'm gonna make the liquid part, so I'm gonna simply duplicate this one, duplicate it, and slash tab to edit mode 1, shift C for X-ray vision, and select this upper one, Control plus for further selection, and delete faces. Okay, I'm gonna select this edge here, and let me select, okay, and F2 face fill. Okay, yeah, I think it's good. Scale it down a bit, and Shift A, add an empty, which is cube. Select all objects and parent it to empty. So now when we move empty, we're gonna simply move over whole objects. Okay, now we have to make this water texture. So I'm gonna simply add a plane mesh and plane, scale it 8 times and align it to our bottle like this. First, I'm gonna add a window here and uh, let me make this shader editor and this one material preview. Okay, select this bottle and assign it a material, name it bottle, and convert principal BSDF to glass BSDF. And roughness will be 0, color will be something like this. We're gonna set it later. Okay, I have a label which I made in Illustrator, so I'm gonna put it here. Shift A, add shader, color to shader. Okay, I'm gonna open UV editor. Yeah, it's good. This one water, tap to edit mode, and I think I'm gonna add a loop cut somewhere here, I think, and 3 face selection. Okay, scale it a bit, scale down on y-axis, I think, and similarly on note. I think it's good. Okay, Control A, and scale it down. Control I. Yeah, I think it's good. Let me see. GX. Yeah, it's good. 3D viewport. Press inner one liquid. Assign it a material. Name it liquid. And change to glass BSDF. Roughness will be almost, I think, 5 or 0.6 maybe good. Color will be something like this. Cap 1, assign it a material, name it cap, and cap will be something grayish color. Let me see. Uh, okay, our cap is like a grayish but shiny one. So I'm gonna down the roughness. Now I think I have to rotate this bottle Rx minus 90 and RZ a little bit rotation GZ and place it on plane. Okay, now we have to make this water texture and we have to add these rocks. So I'm gonna add these rocks first. Search here, scanned rocks, and add this one. Sorry, Control Z, select this collection and add this one. Okay, 7 to upper view, scale it a bit, RZ rotation, and place it somewhere here. Shift T for duplicate and place it here. Now I'm gonna add a camera. GC, make this one camera view. Resolution will be 2160, I think. Yeah, it's good. GZ, make it a bit closer. Sorry, focal length will be, I think, 100. So move it on z-axis like this. Okay. Yeah, I think it's good. Control B. Now we have to do some render settings. EV to cycle, CPU to GPU compute. Max sample for viewport will be 32. Denoise open and max sample will be 500. And color management, AGX to filmic, none to medium high contrast. Okay, Z, and make it render view of this overlays. And I'm gonna change the world settings color to sky texture, um, and intensity of our sun will be um, zero point 0.5 maybe will be good, and rotation will be something like this. Okay, good, it's good. And I'm gonna make this plane into water. So select this plane and open a new window, make it shader editor, and assign it a material, name it water. Okay, so roughness will be go down and transmission weight will be 1. I'm gonna add a bump node here. Sorry. Also noise texture node and fact to height. Control T. Okay, I think it's gonna look watery when we scale it a bit, like 15. Control A, apply scale. Yeah, it looks water. So I'm gonna change the color of it, like this. Okay, for this view, for this colors of water, we have to duplicate this plane. Shift D for duplicate, and remove the texture of it. Tap to edit mode, E to extrude this one, and GC. Move it on Z axis, something like this. This will help us to create this texture of water. And select this water one, and I think I'm gonna color it something like this and make it dark. Scale will be 25, and I think roughness will be 0. Scale will be 40, maybe more good. Yeah, we have to work on it. I'm gonna select this bottle one, and color of bottle will be something dark like this. Similarly, the inner one, the liquid, a bit dark too. Yeah, I think it's good. Select this water, and we have to set the colors of it. I think like this, and I think we have to work on noise texture. Scale will be 50, maybe more good. Yeah, I think it's good. And what about our sky texture? Um, I think it's good. Okay, we have to check our rock placements. Okay, select these rocks and GC, move down on Z axis, something like this. Okay, select this one and this one. I think we'll go here. This one like this. Okay. Yeah, it's good. Let me see my original picture. Okay, you can see we have some shadows of rock. I'm going to dip those rocks into water. So select both of them and GZ, move on Z axis like this. I think I have to make them a little bit bigger. So scale them like this. press 7 on your numpad and place them according to your need. Rotate it a bit. Select this one too and rotate it like I think this. Okay. Select both of them and cheesy dip them into water so you have a nice shadow. Okay. Let me select this bottle one and I am going to set colors of it. So I think hue value will be 5, 0.53, 0.554. I think this one good, and saturation will be I think 0.9 will be more good, 0.97 maybe. Okay, and value will be a little bit down, I think like this. Okay, similarly the inner liquid one, we have to select this and it will be 0.55 will be I think good, and saturation will be 0.98 or zero point 0.9. Yeah, I think it's good, and value will be 0.62. Yeah, it's good. Okay. The bottle which I created, it's a little bit longer I think, so select this empty and scale it on y-axis. Sorry, not y. Scale it on z-axis. Something like this. Yeah, I think it's good. Okay, so I think this is more good. Okay, if you guys want to add this leaves, so you have to search climbing vine and you have multiple choices of those leaves you can download which you want. So okay, that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys gonna like it. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.